Your Kia has been hiding secrets from you this entire time. We're talking features that can park your car while you're standing outside it, camera systems that could have saved you hundreds in insurance claims, and settings buried so deep that even dealership staff forget they exist. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know your Kia better than the person who sold it to you. Hidden feature 1, Remote Smart Parking Assist. Let's start with something that sounds unreal, but is sitting in your driveway right now. How many times have you squeezed into a parking spot so tight you could barely open your door? What if I told you your Kia could handle that without you even being inside? Remote Smart Parking Assist turns your key fob into a parking wizard. On models like the EV6, Telluride, and newer Sorrentos, you can literally stand outside your car, hold down the parking button on your key fob, and watch your vehicle maneuver itself into spots that would make most drivers sweat. The cameras and ultrasonic sensors do all the heavy lifting. Most owners have no idea this exists because nobody showed them during delivery. To activate it, head to your Infotainment menu, find Parking Assist settings, and enable it. Test it in an empty parking lot first though. Hidden feature 2, One-touch triple turn signal. Now, not every hidden feature is flashy. Some are so subtle you'll wonder how you ever lived without them once you find out. Think about your turn signal. How many times a day do you use it? Dozens, right? What if there was a way to make that entire experience smarter? The one-touch triple turn signal is pure genius in its simplicity. Give your turn signal stock a light tap just beyond 3 clicks, and it'll flash 3 times automatically. No more holding it down for lane changes. No more fumbling. It's standard across most Kias, from the Sportage to the Carnival, and once you start using it, you'll get annoyed driving anything else. Hidden feature 3, Advanced Door Lock Customizations. Your car's door locks aren't just locks anymore. They're a customizable security system that most people never bother to set up properly. Advanced door lock customizations let you auto lock at 9 miles per hour, meaning the second you accelerate, your doors secure themselves. But it gets better. You can pair it with auto unlock when you shift to park for seamless exits. And here's my favorite, enabling driver door only unlock. Press your fob once. Just the driver's side opens. Press twice, all doors unlock. This prevents unauthorized entry, helps when you're juggling kids or groceries, and adds a layer of security most people don't even know exists. Access it through your infotainment system under Door Settings, a menu that's criminally overlooked during handover. Hidden feature 4, Rear Occupant Alert. Some features aren't about convenience. They're about preventing tragedy. Hot car deaths involving children and pets make headlines every summer. What if your Kia was actively trying to prevent that from happening to you? Rear Occupant Alert uses ultrasonic sensors to monitor movement in your back seat. If a rear door opens before your trip, the system stays alert. When you shut off the engine and exit, if it detects any movement, like kids, pets, or even bags, it honks the horn and sends alerts to your Kia Connect app. It's standard in 2022 and newer models like the Seltos and K5. Parents and pet owners call this an absolute lifesaver. To test it, open a rear door before you start your car, then shut down and exit. The alert will activate if everything's working right. It's the feature you pray you never need, but you're grateful exists. Hidden feature 5, Hidden Dashcam. Ever been in a parking lot fender bender where the other driver swore up and down it wasn't their fault? What if you had video evidence of every single moment your car was in motion, and you didn't even need to buy a dashcam? Hidden dashcam functionality turns your backup camera into an always-on recording system. Select Kias, especially EVs and hybrids like the EV6 and Sportage, can save footage to an SD card slot in your glove box. Yes, Your glove box has an SD slot. Go check right now. The footage captures incidents while you're driving, not just when you're in reverse. Insert a high-endurance SD card. Enable it in your surround view settings and review clips directly through your infotainment system. Perfect for insurance claims, parking lot disputes, or just catching something wild on the road. Most owners forget the SD slot even exists until someone tells them. Hidden feature 6, garage door opener home link. Your garage door opener remote. Your gate clicker. That weird button for your outdoor lights. What if you could ditch all of them? How much cleaner would your life be if your car could control everything? Garage door opener home link is built into newer Kias like the Telluride, Sorento, and Select trim levels. Hold the buttons on your overhead console while pointing your old remote at them and boom, programmed. It works for garage doors, gates, even lighting systems. The seasoned owners who know about this, they program multiple doors for vacation homes, rental properties, you name it. Check compatibility at homelink.com and suddenly your dashboard is a whole lot less cluttered. Hidden feature 7, wireless charging. That Qi charging pad in your center console, it's not just a charging pad. Most people toss their phone on it and call it a day. But what if you're missing out on cooling vents and alignment guides that make charging way more efficient? Wireless charging optimization includes hidden features like phone cooling vents on select models and auto-dimming screens during charging to prevent overheating. For the EV6 and Ioniq siblings, if you align your phone precisely, you get the full 15-watt fast charging speed. Here's what people regret: using phone cases with metal plates. They completely block wireless charging. And don't forget to enable fast charging in your phone settings. Without it, you're stuck at basic speeds. Hidden feature 8, EV-specific battery preconditioning. If you drive an EV, there's a feature that can add genuine miles to your range and cut your charging time by nearly 1/3. What if your car could prepare itself for a charging session before you even arrived at the station? EV-specific battery preconditioning on models like the EV6 and EV9 lets you warm up or cool down your battery via the Kia Connect app. Set an arrival time for your charging stop, and the system optimizes battery temperature for maximum efficiency. This hidden scheduler is under charging in the app, and it's especially vital for cold mornings or extreme heat. Owners report gaining 20+ extra miles just from preconditioning. In real-world terms, that's the difference between making it home or stopping for an emergency charge. Hidden feature 9, surround view monitor. Your backup camera is useful, sure, but what if you could see every angle of your car all at once from inside the driver's seat? Tight garages, trailer hitching, narrow roads. What if you had a bird's eye view for all of it? Surround view monitor angles give you 360-degree vision beyond just reverse. Hit the top button on your infotainment screen and toggle between bird's eye, side, or front camera views. You can even customize guidelines for trailer lengths. Available on SX trims of the Sorento and Telluride, this feature eliminates curb rash regrets and makes navigating tight spaces feel like a video game. Except the stakes are your rims. Hidden feature 10, voice command shortcuts. Voice commands used to be a joke. They barely worked, misunderstood everything, and frustrated more than they helped. But what if your Kia actually understood you and could control almost everything without you lifting a finger? Voice command shortcuts activate with a simple "Hi Kia." Navigation requests, climate adjustments, radio changes, all hands-free. Hidden phrases like "Find EV chargers" or "Open sunroof" work offline on 2024 and newer models. You can train the system for different accents, which is perfect for multilingual households. And here's a bonus: pair it with gesture controls. Wave your hand for volume up or down. It's like living in the future, but the future is already in your driveway. Hidden feature 11, adaptive cruise hidden modes. Adaptive cruise control is standard on most modern cars, but Kia hides some modes that take it to another level. Imagine an adaptive cruise that doesn't just maintain distance, but actually handles stop-and-go traffic and slows down for curves automatically. Adaptive Cruise hidden modes include stop and go for bumper-to-bumper traffic and curve slowdown for highways. Enable the full speed range in settings, and you can crawl down to 0 in urban traffic without touching the pedals. The K5 and Sportage excel here, especially when paired with lane keeping assist for pseudo hands-free highway driving. When it comes to fuel savings, owners report around 10% on long drives. That adds up fast. Hidden feature 12, interior ambient lighting tricks. Interior lighting isn't just about seeing at night anymore. It's about creating an experience. What if your car's lighting could sync with your music or even react to how fast you're driving? Interior ambient lighting tricks on premium trims let footwell LEDs sync with speed or music. Cycle through 64 colors via the console knob, or set a welcome pulse when you unlock the doors. The Telluride setup even includes rear controls for backseat passengers. Hidden bonus, the dimming auto-adjusts to preserve your night vision. Hidden feature 13, seat memory sync. If you share your car with someone else, you know the frustration. Seat's wrong, the mirrors are off, everything feels off. But what if your car recognized you the moment you got in and adjusted everything automatically? Seat Memory Sync links driver seat memory buttons to your key fob. Get in the car and it adjusts position, mirrors, even pedals to your exact preferences. Add lumbar and bolster settings for completely personalized ergonomics. Carnival minivans extend this to second row VIP seats. Program it via the Seat Easy menu and you'll never fight over seat positions again. Hidden feature 14, tire pressure intelligence. Tire pressure monitoring isn't just about those annoying warning lights. Your Kia's system is way smarter than you think. What if you could see individual tire pressures, temperatures, and even get reminders for rotations? TPMS Deep Dive shows individual pressures and temperatures for each tire, plus alerts you can set for rotation schedules. There's even a hidden rotation timer that counts miles since your last service. Access it under Vehicle Info and stay proactive, especially during monsoon seasons or extreme weather. Pair it with auto tread depth estimates on 2025 models, and you've got mechanic-level diagnostics at your fingertips. Hidden feature 15, Infotainment split screen hacks. Ever wish you could run navigation and media at the same time without constantly switching screens? What if your infotainment system could split in two and handle multiple tasks simultaneously? Infotainment split screen hacks let you run nav plus media or climate plus camera all on one screen. Swipe from the edge to activate, then resize panes for passengers. The EV6's 12-inch dual setup multitasks like a tablet. You can even export routes to your phone via Kia Connect. Hidden feature 16, wireless Apple CarPlay tweaks. Wireless Apple CarPlay is convenient, but most people don't know it has hidden settings that make it even better. What if CarPlay stayed active even after your phone disconnected? Wireless Apple CarPlay tweaks let you force landscape mode or split view in settings. The hidden always-on feature keeps CarPlay running after your phone disconnects, maintaining your last session. This is perfect for anyone who creates content, voice dictate notes, scripts, or ideas hands-free. It works seamlessly with Android Auto too, so nobody's left out. Hidden feature 17, cabin air quality sensors. The air quality inside your car matters more than you might think, especially if you deal with allergies or pollution. What if your car was constantly monitoring the air you breathe and cleaning it automatically? Cabin air quality sensors in auto mode sniff out pollutants, recirculate air when needed, and even show you the air quality index on your dash. The ionizer neutralizes odors. Just toggle it in the climate submenu. This is vital in dusty or high pollution areas. The EV9 even adds virus filtration. Owners forget this exists until allergy season hits, and then it's a total game changer. Hidden feature 18, the Windshield heads-up. Heads-up displays used to be reserved for fighter jets and luxury cars. Now they're in your Kia. What if you could see your speed, navigation arrows, and blind spot warnings without ever looking away from the road. Head-up display secrets project critical info directly onto your windshield. Adjust the height and color for sunglasses compatibility, and hide data fields selectively based on what you need. Telluride SX trims default to a low position. Raise it in display settings for better visibility. Night drivers especially benefit from reduced glance-away time, which means safer drives for everyone. Hidden feature 19, over-the-air updates. You know what's wild? Your car can get better over time without you ever visiting a dealership. What if your Kia downloaded new features and improvements while you slept? Over-the-air updates through Kia Connect push software upgrades overnight. New features, better voice AI, performance improvements, all automatic. Check the status in your app and schedule downloads over Wi-Fi. 2025 and newer models auto-install updates, which means your car could literally wake up smarter than it was yesterday. On EVs, this service is free for life. Your technology stays fresh without lifting a finger. Hidden feature 20, blind spot view. Blind spots cause accidents. That's just a fact. But what if you could see into them without turning your head? What if a quick flick of your turn signal showed you live camera footage of your blind spot? Blind spot view on turn signal activates a live camera feed on your dash screen whenever you signal. No more shoulder checks in heavy traffic. No more straining your neck. Standard on GT line trims, you can customize alert volumes to your preference. For anyone driving in areas with motorcycles or scooters weaving through traffic, this feature is legitimately a lifesaver. So which of these hidden features surprised you the most? And more importantly, which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know what you discovered in your Kia. And hey, if this video saved you from missing out on features you're actually paying for, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Drive smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.